What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. I have another monthly update for you guys. This is for the month of February of 2021. This was another slow month for me, which I knew it was going to be. I posted a video a couple weeks ago about why I'm slow right now on eBay. So I knew that this month was going to be a pretty low month. I will list out everything that I sold right now. Mercedes CLS 550 intake pipe, $50 plus $10 shipping. Toyota Tundra grill, $150 plus $50 shipping. Mercedes CLS 550 center dash bezel, $100 plus $30 shipping. Toyota Corolla headlight, $50 plus $20 shipping. Audi S4 taillight, $100 plus $10 shipping. Honda Odyssey headlight, $75 plus $25 shipping. Nissan Pathfinder grill, $115 plus $40 shipping. Toyota Yaris headlight, $80 plus $20 shipping. In the month of February, I only sold 8 items and that added up to $720. The buyers paid $205 in shipping, but it actually cost me $250 to ship all those items. So I actually lost money on the shipping this month, which I haven't done since I started, this YouTube channel. So this is the first time where the shipping cost is actually more than what I charge for shipping. After that is subtracted, it ends up at $675. After you subtract the $170 in fees, you end up with $505 for the month that you made. So as you can tell, this was a very, very low month for me. I usually do a lot more than this, but I knew that it was going to be slow, so I was kind of prepared for that. With only 8 items sold, it turns out to $84 an average for the items. I did not sell any big items. The biggest item was the Toyota grill, which was $150. I did not sell any expensive headlights or anything else expensive this month. I did put a lot more items on eBay during the month. So next month will be a much better sales report. That's basically it. $505 for the month. I'm still happy with that. That is still more money than if I wasn't selling anything on eBay, but I would like to get that up. That's about it for this video. Just another quick update for you guys. Obviously, you can tell that this was a very slow month, so hopefully next month it'll be much higher. If you haven't already, check out my other videos where I tell you everything else that I've been selling and how much I've been selling them for. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.